Hello, this is William, and I'm going to be showing you how to put up a Craigslist image ad today. And this is a little more sophisticated than any normal ad. I'm going to show you an example of a normal ad. Here is just a basic normal ad. You've got the text and you've got the image. Now, this is an image ad. As you can see, it's a little more sophisticated. You've got a banner and you've got a poster right here, and you've got the header, start your own business, and it's a little more flashy, a little more appealing to the human eye. So I'm going to be showing you how to do something like this today. Alright, now the first thing you want to do to create the banner ad or the image ad, if you don't already have it made, is go to Word. I use a simple document like Word, and here you can use your tools or a little text, word art, and this is where you can create your ad. So I'm going to pause the screen and show you once I'm done creating a small ad. Okay, as you can see, I've created my very simple ad image. Yours might look a little nicer than this, but that's okay. So what I'm going to do is save it. I'm just going to want to save it as a Word document for now. Now after you've saved it, I want you to go to Paint, which is installed in every single computer. So you should have it, should come in free, and it should be under Accessories. That's where you would find it. So now we go back to our ad, and I want you to press Control A, which selects everything, and then press Control C, which copies the whole ad. And then you go to Paint, and you just press Control V, which pastes it. And there we have an ad. And this is where we're going to save it as a JPEG, which is an image file. So I want to click Save As, and then maybe I save mine in the same folder. Here when you have Save As type, you want to just save as a JPEG. Okay, now what you want to do is go to your web browser. I want you to go to photobucket.com. This is a free online company that what it does is it gives you codes for your photos. I'll show you what I mean in a second. So go ahead and join now. It's free. Okay. After logging in, you're going to click Upload Images and Videos from my computer. Then select the file you had just saved. Okay, you can give your image a title if you want, and a description. I'm not going to mess with that right now. Tags. Okay. Now what I want you to do now is there's going to be a Share tab. I want you to click More, and then we're going to go over to Get Link Code. Here you have many different links, and we are going to choose the HTML for website and blogs. You can just click that once and it'll select the whole code for you. It's a very long code. You can copy that. Then we're going to go over to Craigslist. Post a classified. Select your category here. And now that code we just copied, we are going to paste it in the description. Now this may not look like much, but after posting a title, pushing continue, you will see that our ad would look like this. Now, here's a problem. If I were to click the ad, this is the window it shows up. Goes back to Photo Bucket and goes back to your account and all the photos that you have. And we don't want that, because that's not driving any traffic to our site unless they are taking yourultimatedreamlife.com and pasting that into the browser. So we have to change that code. So I want you to go back to edit, unless you're happy with it being in Photo Bucket, and grab your website URL. Make sure, I always test mine by putting in the browser, because there's nothing worse than having your website out there on the ad and it's the wrong URL and people are led to a messed up website. So you always want to test it. Now I want you to select this first HTTP all the way to here. It's in between the quotation marks, if you can see that. And I want you to paste it. Paste the URL, your URL. Mine is yourultimatedreamlife.com, and that's what yours should say. Well, you should have your own designated URL in the space there. There you go. There's your posting. And before that, you might want interesting MLM opportunity. Yeah, if you want to put some text there, you can go ahead and do that. Add an image if you want to. Not going to. Push continue. Voila. Here is our ad. And if you were to click, voila, it takes us directly to the website we showed it to go to. And you continue. Type in the code. And there you go. Thanks for posting with us. We really appreciate it. And it couldn't be easier than that.